Everyone, so serving God means to everything you do, calculate your behavior to maximize all the pleasure you can get from God in Christ, all the benefits you can get from God, all that, not just money, but everything that you can maximize, not only money, because you cannot serve God and money in the same time, not that mutually way. So exclusive either way, you choose angling to your making money or choosing angling serving gods. So slay the treasure that you have, that you can get. Calculate all the behavior that maximize the benefits that you have God through Jesus Christ. So marami tayong benefits na pwedeng makuha kay God, hindi lang basta money, hindi lang basta blessings. So kailangan natin pag-aralan yon, matutunan yon, kasi maraming pwedeng ibigay sa atin na ma-maximize natin lahat, kasi nga God created us like Christ. So whatever like Christ have, we might have that. Ang kailangan lang natin pag-aralan yung mga bagay na yon para magamit natin yung talent, your skills, your behavior na pwedeng maging treasures natin sa life natin. Ang treasure kasi hindi lang money, hindi treasure yan dito sa lupa, pero yung lahat ng benefits na pwedeng ibigay ni God, yun yung pwedeng maging treasure mo din sa heaven, hindi lang dito sa lupa. Kaya kailangan sabi nga yung mga nagiging successful pa, sila yung mga gumagamit ng skills, talents na binigay ni God para mas maging blessing, para maging treasure nila, not only here sa buhay na meron tayo, but also in heaven. At matutunan natin gamitin na maayos, makalculate yun ng maayos, at through that maserve natin si God. Kasi serving God is not yung pagbibigay ng pera, ng tithes lang. Maraming paraan, maraming way. Hope we learn something. Thank you everyone, and